Hello, what's going on in here? Yeah, man.
Whipping it up.
Yes.
We're not but we got our omelette and our toast over there.
See that? Ah, look at that. I didn't even see that. Nice.
Get ready to hit the beach.
Yep.
With a full belly.
Full belly. Yeah, man. That's nice.
All them spices, all them flavours, and with like
jelly.
a bit of mango chutney on it. It would bring that sweet.
Yay! Okay. Trying to pack the car.
Like a little black pillowcase.
Black.
I got your scarf and the rackets.
Like a little black pillowcase.
It's a pillowcase.
No littering. Mackenzie Falls. Who's Mackenzie?
It's them. It's a family name. He's Collin Mackenzie. So it's the family and Henry.
Yeah. It must be.
Mackenzie Falls.
And that's where they took us yesterday. That's the Mackenzie Falls.
Adventure.
Yeah, man, she sound alright.
Sound alright.
You guys go right on the windows. Want to get some fresh air. What do you want? Come up here to see someone?
Oh, the lift this up a bit far back.
Yeah, man, there's a thing right next to it. The top one, right? This one, right?
Oh, wrong way.
And then, voila, push up.
Catapult him out of the car.
You got room there, yeah?
Come on, boy,
There we go.
To be in one easy 4-hour packing of the vehicle.
From jungle to the beach. What beach is it?
Where's the St Margets Bay?
Alright, what he said.
Whoa! I see the important you attack me for, man. I must see the important you attack me for, because I'm going to stop, so you know. Stop, so. The lawnmower. Tomorrow? Yeah, man.
Turning off the road and going.
juices here, guava and coconut water. Yeah, man. Gotta stay hydrated. Okay. What juice did you get?
I got June plum juice and some coconut water.
Yeah, this one's good. Ginger, guava. There's sugar though, but I'm sure it's not too bad sugar.
Guys, this is
Right.
our little spot.
The natural mystic blowing in the wind.
Line is washing away.
Look at how what?
Like this in there.
Oh, this is cute. Oh.
Right, I have got to put my nyamuk skin in that.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, I need to get in there.
Yeah, my nyamuk body.
I was like, all right. Oh, this is nice. I mean, if I really wanted to. Oh, this is a cute little situation.
You can't put them on the good, they need more, you know. You know, but then I'll put some hammock and stuff.
Little kitchen. Kitchen and bathroom. And there's another little house. Hello. Which one are we staying in? Look at this. This is beautiful. Look at this. This looks like the movies. Portland is really where it's at, y'all. Portland is where it is at. I'm not leaving. It's been decided. So this is our little room then. This is our little room. Just simple. We're just staying for the night. Just a little vibes. We're gonna have a campfire tonight. Walking through the beach. Yeah, man. Big up, big up. Let's see what's going on over here, so.
Really?
No, me.
I have some in my room.
Got my tea. My flip flop. That nice. That nice.
Getting into?
Am I getting in? That nice. My flops are gonna come off. What did I just say? I knew it. These are gone. They're gone. I need to buy some new ones. Oh. Look at how beautiful. It's nice. Look. Wow. That's nice. Coconut bliss. Everything.
That was what we were coming and do yourself. That was the ritual he just said. He said everybody has to open their own coconut in half.
Everyone has to open their own?
He just did his, look.
I have to open it on my own?
Yeah, you've got to chop it in half yourself for the first time.
I can try.
You can try. And you want to chop it like that.
Okay. No, that wasn't it. Okay.
Oh, what's a daisy?
No. It's a bit embarrassing, no? Get it, we're gonna get it. So you said like right there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now just keep whacking it.
Like
you're pushing down on it.
And then hit it against the snow.
Oh.
Yeah.
This beautiful sunset. Got our coconuts.
Delicious.
Are you getting it out all right?
Yeah, not too bad, you know.
That's a flex right there. She got all of that out. It's that Jamaican blood. We're cooking. Not me though. The boys are cooking. Alright, we'll go on over here, chef. We'll go on.
Well, let's take it back from the top.
Yeah, take it from the top. I'll cut it out.
Anyway, so here we go. 3, 2, 1. Well, we're here at. You say black hood. Alright, let's take it from the top again.
Okay, action.
2, 1. Well, here we are in the kitchen tonight at the beach house. Pollys Beach House Hideaway. We're boiling some peas in this pot over here.
Yeah, man.
Just have a look at one pot wonder with onions, scallion, and thyme, some garlic, some potatoes, some sweet potatoes, some green plantain. And we're gonna put the peas in this and the cabbage in there as well. And the tomato. And this is just all of our little herbs and spices. So it's just our little getaway in the bush, right?
Yeah, man.
There with Richard.
The other chef?
Me and the other chef, Richard. Both of us was just, chopping it up and being creative.
Creative.
It's creative.
Working with what we had.
Creative.
We have trying to make up what we didn't have.
Trying to make up for what we didn't have.
Yeah, man. Big up.
I gotta drink 2 beer, you know what I mean?
Oh, yeah. Gotta get the update. This is what it looks like. Yeah, man. Oh, we're going over here.
Oh, the same thing, just an addition.
Just a little addition.
Nothing to something.
From nothing to something. Self-made.